kingdom of God is not just a place. It's a person, a presence, a river of grace. It's love in motion, not walls or fear, where our hearts are open and the King draws near.
It begins when I love the Lord my God with my whole heart, soul, and every thought, not just with words, but with all I am, a living flame in the great I am.
Love the Lord, love your neighbor, even your enemy. Let grace be greater, where mercy rules and the cross still speaks. The kingdom of God is found in the meek. It breathes when I love those hard to hold, the broken, the bitter, the bruised and cold. Even those who curse my name are touched by heaven when I do the same.
Love your enemies, he said. Bless those who curse you, pray instead. Do good to those who do you wrong. That's where heaven's light belongs.
This is not a weakness, it's heaven's power. The cross still conquers in darkest hours, where justice meets mercy face to face. The throne is love and the rule is grace. Love the Lord, love your neighbor, even your enemy. Let grace be greater, where mercy rules and the cross still speaks. The kingdom of God is found in the meek. Not gold or crowns, but a lamb once slain, who first loved me in all my shame. He called me beloved, child of light, and where love reigns, the King is in sight. Where love reigns, the King is in sight.